Hi everyone and welcome to the sewing school. I have had a request from a man called Frank who was having issues about how the pedal foot works. Okay, so I'm going to explain. All sewing machines are a little bit different, but most times they have a little area down here where you insert that. This end here goes into the power and this turns the machine on and off. This is like the throttle on a car. When you put your foot on that, like you would an accelerator, if you go too fast, what will happen is you will speed. The least amount, you will hardly go anywhere. So let me just share how much, so when I started to learn to sew, my mother used to always say, you're going too fast, you'll make a mistake. And of course my mother was always right, wasn't she? Right, let's take this to the sewing machine and I'm just going to put that, this is called the sewing foot. This bit here, this is the machine foot that makes it go. Right, I'm just going to bring this down here and onto the floor. I've put my sewing machine foot, which is that, down, and I always like to bring the needle down like so, and then, as I said, apply. This is what happens if you put too much pressure on. You go really, really fast. If you do just a little bit, look, it just goes a little bit like that. More pressure, goes fast. Little. I hope that this has helped you, Frank. Sewing machine foot goes into here. The sewing foot that is the navigator is there. Hope I've helped. Been my pleasure. See you all again another day. Bye for now.